How do you take the gorgeous sounding BMW E46 M3 and turn it into an iconic masterpiece? You shave a massive 110 kilograms off the car, tweak the engine, transmission and chassis. Then you make a limited production run of only 542 right-hand drive units. That is the M3 CSL.
I'm Darren, and welcome to All Access Vlog.
Being a limited production run, the BMW M3 CSL came in two distinctive colors, sapphire black and the color that's on this particular unit, silver gray. After almost 2 decades of exciting ownership, a complete restoration was much needed. Our client picked the modular vehicle reconditioning program for this task. The surface preparation process began with the dismantling of the primary sections of the vehicle, including all the rubber moldings, door panels, windows, and windshield. This is an important step in achieving an accurate factory finish. The M3 CSL is the first M model to sport a visible carbon roof, along with the bumpers in carbon. Once the surface preparation was completed, the primer was applied across the entire bodywork and inspected for a uniform finish. The original CSL silver gray base coat and a high solids clear coat combination was then applied and inspected to achieve factory tolerances. As the paint specialists continued their work on crafting the ultimate paintwork finish, a second team of detailers began on the coachwork, targeting the undercarriage, wheel wells, brake calipers, exhaust, and engine bay using a combination of pressurized steam cleaning and dry ice blasting technology. Using -78-degree ice pellets to subject the contaminants that were previously bonded to the coachwork components to thermal, impact, and expansion shock, paired with the steam cleaning and manual detailing work, ensures that the vehicle looks absolutely perfect. For the interior cabin, we worked on refreshing the upholstery with a combination of steam cleaning and machine-based extraction. Our patented Alcantara treatment and protectant system was then applied and layered to provide a soft satin touch and to imbue the material with dirt-resistant properties, crucial in a tropical climate. Once the unique silver gray paintwork on the CSL has been refined to a brilliant finish, a hybrid ceramic coating system is applied and cured via infrared lamps in sequential layers, building additional layers of gloss and clarity. The next step was a custom installation of ClearGuard Alpha paint protection film to preserve the unique paintwork from swirls, scratches, and the elements on the road. The PPF features a patent-pending plasma memory system that reacts with oxygen to heal instantly when lightly scratched. Designed for gloss finish paintwork, the PPF also more than doubles the shine of any gloss finish car after installation. Our custom fitment also allows for the PPF to achieve an edgeless finish that is virtually seamless for maximum protection without any reduction in visual appeal. For ultimate enjoyment, our flagship high-performance tin Spectra PhotoSync IRD was fitted to protect the cabin and its passengers from the immense tropical heat. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty against performance degradation, Spectra PhotoSync IRD provides an unmatched performance and allows the passengers to experience pure comfort in the cabin and respite from the unrelenting tropical heat.
If you've got a valuable classic that needs a refresh or a complete makeover, give us a call. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Till next time, goodbye.